All right, y'all, get another short practice here. Upper body with a little bit of lower body mixed in, short and dirty. I got light weights, 3-pounders I'm working with. You can go anywhere from 1, 2, 3, and upwards, depending on what you're up to today. All right, let's start out with just some warm-ups. So it's my new favorite, my little dance moves. We're going in and out, in and out. Shake your hips if you want, or just stay still, your choice. Warming up those arms. Add a little wrist thing if you want. Okay, a little faster pace here. So we're trying to build some heat, quick heat. Warm it up, active warm up. All right, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. It's like some Broadway show. Last one. Good. We'll punch it forward and back. Punch it forward and back. So you're pulling it in, grabbing it back. Pushing it out, grabbing it in. All right, big inhale, reach up. Exhale, sweep those arms back and down. Roll those shoulders. We're about to pick up the weights now. So let's grab those. My feet are a little wider than hip width. I'm going to keep the knees bent so that I'm not locking out through the back, but that I have most of the weight through my trunk. So we're going to start here and inhale, exhale. So I've got the arms just a little lower than shoulder level. If this bothers your back at all, just bend your elbows a little bit. Belly strong here, breathing. Okay, keep breathing, 9, 10, good. Roll it down. We've got another version here, which is a tap down and a tap up. So tap down, tap up. Good, keep going. A little faster. Belly strong here. Bend those elbows a little bit more if you need to break off the shoulders or your low back. Okay, and then we're going to tap twice on the top, tap twice on the bottom. Keep breathing. Great. Keep going. You got this. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Roll those shoulders out. Shake it off. All right. Next one. We're going to come into a lunge stance with your left foot forward. I'm going to rest my left hand on with the weight on my thigh. We come into that hinge forward, and we're going to row it back, kick back tricep. Pull it forward, punch it forward. All right, keep going. Nice work for those back of those arms, posture muscles. Make sure that front knee is in line with your hip, knee, and ankle, that it's not caving inward. Good, 2 more, you got this. Keep going. Good, and then we're going to keep it back here for that pulse. Shoulder blades coming back, pulse. 6, 8, 4. I was counting backward. Good, hold it there, keep holding. Shoulders out of your ears, relax your jaw. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Shake that arm out, we got the other side to go. So right foot forward, right hand resting on that thigh. You're hinging forward in that lunge stance, front knee in line. Here we go, same thing. Row it back, kick it back to center. Good, we got 8 more to go. Keep breathing, shoulders back. Okay, more than halfway there. You got this. Good, 2 more. Slow it down if you need to, want to. Okay, next time we come back, we're going to hold it there and pulse. Belly strong. 4, 3, 2, 1. We hold. Jaws relaxed. Keep holding. Belly strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. All right. I'm going to step to one side on my mat. If you're on your mat, step to one side. You just want some space because we're going to step out. I'm going to show these first and then We'll do it together. So I'm going to step the right foot out and extend those arms. I'm going to kick it back. My palms are facing backward. And then I'm going to come back, bicep curl. Now, if doing the whole lift up here is challenging, just toe plant and kind of slide and drag out. Okay? Here we go. We got 10 on one side, 10 to the other. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step it out, tricep kick out, push it out. Come back in, bicep curl. Take it slow, take it fast, whatever you need. Gotta do your practice, yeah? You might not be on my count, and that's okay. Halfway there. Strong arms, shoulders are back. Last one. When we step it out here, we're gonna hold it here, okay? Let's pulse it out. Punch it out, come back in. Punch it out, come back in. We got little W arms. Two more. All right, bring it back in. Whew. Reset, roll those shoulders out. Rock to the other side, so just reposition so you got some space. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step it out, kick those arms out, bring it back in, bicep curl. You can have that foot on the ground at all times if you need or want. Woo. Doesn't have to be a big step out either, right? It could be a more mini step. You'll have more control. Good. Last one, we're gonna hold it there. Right, we hold, we punch up, we pull it back. Little W. This is the last one. You're almost there. That knee's tracking over. I didn't say that. Knee's tracking over your foot. Last one. All right, pull it back in. Great work. Let's set those weights down. We'll come into that stretch. Let's rise up. In breath, grab onto those hands. Inhale, exhale over. One more breath, reach to that little outer foot. Exhale, rise up, release. Inhale, other side. Exhale over. In breath, reach. Exhale, release. All right, let's take that right arm up into a tricep stretch. Okay. Through that back of that arm that we were stretching, bring your legs in a little bit. All right, release. Other side. Good, in breath, out breath, release. We'll take the hands back behind clasp, then take them down towards your hips. Open up the chest, inhale. Exhale. If you want a little side forward bend, you can. You don't have to. Maybe release those hands down. Great, bend those knees, exhale, rise up. Breathe the sky, inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thanks so much for joining me here today. Check out the other short practices if you're looking for some quick and dirties. All right, peace and see you.